Dear students, welcomes you all in your YouTube channel SS Science Academy. Today we have to see State Council of Educational Research and Training Maharashtra Pune Preparatory Ditch Course Test 1 of class 7th of General Sciences, which has a mark 15 and time 30 minutes based on activity sheet number 1 to 9. So the first question is write down the benefits of following. It has 2 marks. Firstly, we have to write the benefits of soil. Soil is the main source of minerals for plant to grow. Soil helps the trees' roots to adhere on the ground. Soil helps farmers to grow their farms. Now, the benefits of woods. Wood is used in furniture. It is used as a fuel. It also used in many structures such as a house, small bridges, etc. Now, the question second, categorize the following words given in the bracket below into man-made disaster or natural disaster. It also have 2 marks. The first one is a man-made disaster. Motor accidents, bomb blast, wars are the man-made disasters, while natural disasters are earthquakes, storms, flood, tsunami, droughts, etc. Now the third question is, tell me who should I pair with. Here group A and group B is given. Here you have to write your answers. Amphibians related with frogs. Vapor related with rain. Microorganisms are related with soil formation, and symptoms of living things are related with consciousness. Now the question 4th is write down what will happen if the given substance is heated. It also has 2 marks. When camphor is heated, it sublimates, means it starts to evaporate. Now the question 5th is find the odd man out. Mango, word, gram, palm. Gram is here out. Odd man out. Copper, gold, iron, wood. Wood is here. Wood is odd man out. All are the metals. Wood is non-metal. Here mango, ward and palm are the big trees, while gram is a very small tree. Copper, gold, iron are the good conductor of electricity, and wood is the bad conductor of electricity. Now question 6, write down what first aid you will give to your friend after a minor burn. It has 2 marks. I will firstly wash and cool down the burn, then apply a ointment on the burns. After that, bandage it loosely. Now the last question of this test is draw a diagram of the plant and show its root, trunk, leaf. Here is the diagram given. To appreciate us, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt, any queries regarding this test or regarding the science, please comment us in our comment section. We will meet in the next test. Till then, be safe.